Assalamualaikum. Welcome to MDCat with SK. First MCQs. Which organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. So correct option C, mitochondria. Mitochondria generate ATP through cellular respiration, hence known as powerhouse of the cell. Next MCQs. The basic structural and functional unit of life. Tissue, organelle, cell, atom. So correct option C, cell. The cell is the smallest unit that can carry out all life process. Next MCQs. Ribosomes are responsible for respiration, DNA replication, protein synthesis, lipid synthesis. So correct option C, protein synthesis. Ribosomes assemble amino acid into proteins. So ribosomes are also called factory of protein. Next MCQs. Which of the following is present only in plant cells? Nucleus, mitochondria, cell wall, cytoplasm. So correct option C, cell wall. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall made up of a cellulose. Next MCQs. What is the function of lysosomes? Protein synthesis, DNA replication, intracellular digestion, transport. Lysosome. So correct option C, intracellular digestion. Lysosome contain digestive enzymes that break down waste. Next MCQs. Which of the following is a double membrane bound organelle? Ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. So correct option B, mitochondria. Mitochondria have an inner and outer membrane. Next MCQs. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in DNA replication, RNA synthesis, protein and lipid synthesis, cell division. So correct option C, protein and lipid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes protein and smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipid. Next MCQs. Which structure regulates the movement of material into and out of the cell? Nucleus, plasma membrane, mitochondria, cytoplasm. So correct option B, plasma membrane. It's selectively permeable and control the entry and exit of substances. Next MCQs. Prokaryotic cells lack ribosomes, cytoplasm, nucleus, plasma membrane. So correct option C, nucleus. Prokaryotes have no membrane bound nucleus. Next MCQs. Which organelle modify packages and transport protein? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuoles. So correct option B, Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies receive protein from endoplasmic reticulum, modify and shape them. Next MCQs. The fluid inside the cell excluding the nucleus is called nucleoplasm, cytoplasm, protoplasm, cytoplasm. B was cytosol. So correct option D, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm includes cytosol and organelle excluding the nucleus. Next MCQs. Which cell organelle is responsible for photosynthesis? Chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi body. So correct option A, chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll that capture light energy for photosynthesis. Next MCQs. The network of protein filaments in the cytoplasm is called endoplasmic endomembrane system, cytoskeleton, ribosome, cilia. So correct option D, cilia. It gives shapes and aids in movement and intracellular transport. Next MCQs. Which organelle is absent in animal cell? Ribosomes, chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body. So correct option B, chloroplast. Chloroplasts are found only in plant cell. Next MCQs. What is the main function of nucleus? Protein synthesis, digestion, DNA storage, ATP production. So correct option C, DNA storage. Nucleus store genetic information, DNA.